I know, chemistry is both stressful and complicated. So here are 10 easy to remember mnemonics that might help you out on your upcoming big exam. Starting with the basics, if you forget the formula for density, you'll break your chemistry teacher's heart. Density is mass over volume. Density can also be combined with the ideal gas law. Just remember, molar mass kitty likes to scrape dirt over his pee. You'll notice that cats are a common theme through this video. Speaking of which, you should remember cations are always positive, while anion is sad and negative, probably because she was so poorly drawn. 2 for 1. The phrase oil rig can help you remember that oxidation is loss of electrons, while reduction is gain of electrons. Or if you prefer, Leo the lion says, grrr. Loss of electrons is oxidation. Gain of electrons is reduction. 3 for 1. The 7 diatomic elements kind of sort of make a 7 on the periodic table. Or if you prefer, the word Brinkelhoff for bromine, iodine, nitrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Or the word genuine, because each of these elements end in either GEN or INE. If you're doing electrochem, you can remember the phrase an ox and a red cat because oxidation always occurs at the anode and reduction always occurs at the cathode. You can also use the phrase back cat because electrons flow from anode to cathode. If you're working with acids, always remember pour acid in water and all is well. And MASH. Metal and acid make a salt and hydrogen. And finally, if you're trying to remember your polyatomic ions, Nick Brett the camel ate an inky clam with crepes for supper in Phoenix. The consonants in this phrase corresponds to the number of oxygens in the 8 ions, and the vowels in this phrase corresponds to the charge of the ions. To my 40 AP students who are preparing to enter college and the world beyond, you are amazing and I wish you the best of luck with your future endeavors. And one last mnemonic to end the video on. Don't forget, hydrogen bonds are FON, fun. I'll show myself out.